Dear Sir, Madam, it has come to our attention that standard letters can sound like this and are not inspiring. We would appreciate your attention, but giant SOTs and MAs are off-putting and can result in letters being IATO.
Small changes can make a big difference. Applying behavioural science to written communications has resulted in increased tax compliance, school attendance, medical appointments, and reduced the overprescription of drugs. Just by the written word. It works. Behavioural has a short course in better written communication starting soon. It's called the INSPIRE framework, which looks like this and means this. If you'd like to find out more, visit behavioursaustralia.org and search for INSPIRE. Warmest regards, yours sincerely, all the best, cheers, Behavioural Australia.